This epoxy resin is exceptionally user-friendly, featuring a straightforward 1-to-1 mixing ratio and a self-leveling formula that ensures a smooth, professional-looking finish with minimal effort. It cures to a stunning, glass-like clarity that's designed to resist yellowing over time thanks to its built-in ultraviolet inhibitors. The final cured surface is incredibly durable, providing excellent protection against scratches, heat, and moisture, making it ideal for high-traffic surfaces like tables and countertops. Its versatility shines through as it can be used for both protective coatings on furniture and for creative casting projects like jewelry, coasters, and intricate river tables. Being completely free of BPA and 100% waterproof, this resin is a safe choice for finishing kitchen counters, bar tops, and other surfaces that may come into contact with food. The 1-gallon kit provides ample coverage for a significant area, approximately 12.8 square feet, and cures to a hard finish in under 24 hours,